The Nigerian Army has cleared Colonel I.B. Abdulkareem of sexual abuse following allegations by now discharged female soldier, Private Ogunleye Ruth. The female officer alleged that the superior officer and other officers made life hell for her and that they should be held responsible if anything happens to her. In reaction to the allegations, Army spokesman Major General Oyema Wanchukwu explained that investigations revealed that the alleged victim was mentally unstable and she refused medical help, which led to her discharge from the Army.
We commend with this. The Nigerian Army takes every accusation leveled against its personnel seriously and has established procedures to investigate any claim made against its personnel. The case of ex-private Ruth Ogunleye, who claims to be a former subordinate of Colonel I.B. Abdulkareem at the Nigerian Army Medical Corps headquarters in Lagos, is no exception to our commitment to due process. Upon receipt of her initial complaint, which included allegations of sexual harassment, the Nigerian Army took immediate action. The matter was referred to the Nigerian Army Corps of Military Police and tasked with conducting a thorough investigation into the veracity of her claims.
And let's turn attention to technology. Artificial intelligence will play a pivotal role in the future, and young people must be encouraged to embrace this technology to drive economic growth. This was the consensus from key players at the 2024 Pan-Africa Club Simulation hosted by the Africa 5-to-5 initiative in Abuja. Uloma Oyemachi has the story.
This event was co-hosted by Anglican Girls Grammar School alongside other private schools in the FCT, all eager to learn how to apply artificial intelligence to everyday lives.
Gladdens our heart to let you all know that
stakeholders at the event emphasized how AI is transforming various sectors from media and medicine to agriculture and healthcare. They believe its benefits far surpass any skepticism surrounding its adoption.
For us in the media and the mass media, of course, the opportunities are there for quick research on topics. It can improve, we are told, healthcare through faster diagnosis, enhance education.
Inventions of youths in artificial intelligence, environment is really very apt, considering the need for Nigeria to leapfrog in terms of being able to use technologies in improving the social economy of the country.
Students were also urged to be the change they wish to see and embrace the technology-driven future.
The youth of Africa, who you represent here today, cannot be left behind in the technological advancement around the world. You must do whatever is necessary to ensure that you are at par with your peers around the world.
I mentioned in Jigi's speech, we've missed out on the first, second, and third industrial revolution. But this fourth industrial revolution provides us with that opportunity to leapfrog in terms of using emerging technologies.
But then I grew to learn that artificial intelligence is like an aid to the world, and it's about us, the youth, the young people, utilizing how we can appreciate artificial intelligence and more utilize it into our daily lives, because it is helpful, it is creative, and it's a big help and big improvement to the world.
Amongst other highlights, there were presentations by participating schools and various competitions aimed at testing students' understanding of AI and its practical applications. Uloma Oyemachi, TVC News, Abuja.
And to health now, the quality of vaccination activities improved from 87% in March to 95% in April 2024. That's according to the World Health Organization, as it highlights the current situation and progress made in Nigeria's effort to accelerate quality primary healthcare delivery. Kemi Balogun reports.
Constituency Project is a noble initiative to facilitate good governance and bring government closer to the people.
Traditional and religious leaders have played key roles in the fight to stop the transmission of the circulating vaccine-derived poliovirus type 2, also in strengthening routine immunization and reducing morbidity and mortality from vaccine-preventable diseases. This two-day engagement between the Northern Traditional Leaders Committee on Primary Healthcare Delivery and religious leaders from the northern part of the country is happening to further strengthen the immunization response.
The need to sustain the engagement and your value partnership cannot be overemphasized, especially in the face of the threat posed to our sons and daughters by the mutated circulating poliovirus CVPP2 across the country, but especially in the north. Despite the effort, too many mothers and kids continue to lose their lives to preventable causes.
Partners here still believe that despite positive progress and strides, the country still faces the issue of zero-dose children, many pregnant women not giving birth at health facilities, and the 2.1 million children currently unvaccinated in Nigeria, according to the WNEC 2024 report.
We would therefore like to urge your support to promote an increase in the uptake of antenatal services and health facility deliveries, the ongoing zero-dose mapping, and immunization recovery efforts through the planned big catch-up campaign.
At this moment, Nigeria is the country in the world with more zero-dose children, more than 2 million. And that's why we are seeing so many outbreaks. So we need to ensure that our children, we don't have more zero-dose children, but they are protected with vaccines to avoid these outbreaks.
This gathering also believes that sustained partnership remains a critical vehicle in achieving the broader goal of universal health coverage and ensuring that no child is left behind. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.